Hello my dear friends and the super kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at your home. So today again we are going to learn a very interesting topic. So shall we start? Yes. But before starting the class, let's sing a rhyme related to the topic. Okay? See here. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, another named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. So, today we are going to learn about, do you know what is that? Very good children, you all are very smart. Today we are going to learn about birds. Today we are going to learn and identify the birds. Okay. So, shall we start the class? Yes. Today we are going to learn about the birds. See here, which bird is this? This is dove. What is this? Which bird is this? This is dove. Dove is a milky white feathered bird and it is the symbol of peace. Dove is a milky white feathered bird and it is the symbol of peace. Which bird is this? Dove. Next is bulbul. Next is bulbul. Bulbul is a sweet singing bird. Bulbul is a sweet singing bird and we can find bulbul on the tree top, on the top of the tree. It is a sweet singing bird. Next is parrot. Next is parrot. Do you like? Yes. Parrot is a green bird with a red beak and they are the most lovable pet bird in the world. Then what is this? This is hen. This is hen. Hen lays eggs. Do you like eggs? Yes, very good. So this is hen. Crow. Crow. What is this? This is a crow. Crow is a black feathered bird and it is known as a intelligent bird. It is known as a intelligent bird. Then the next one is sparrow. Sparrow. This is a small bird and it builds its nest near the houses or buildings. Pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeon is a grey feathered bird with a shiny band on his neck. Yes. Duck. 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 This is a duck. This is a duck. Duck have short legs. They have short legs and short neck. They like to swim. They like to swim. Yes. Bat. Bat. They are the only mammals which can truly fly. They are the only mammals which can truly fly. What is this? This is bat. Penguin. Penguin. Penguin are the bird which cannot fly. Which cannot fly but they are very good swimmer. They are very good swimmer. They cannot fly but they are very good swimmer. Eagle. Eagle. Eagle, they can fly very high. They can fly very high. They are the bird which can fly very high. Owl. Owl have big eyes. Big eyes. And they can see at night very clearly. They can see clearly at night. Ostrich. ostrich. They are the heaviest bird on the land. They are the heaviest bird on the land. They cannot fly, but they are a very good runner. They can run very fast. They can run very fast. They cannot fly, but they can run very fast, and they are the heaviest bird on the land. What is this? This is ostrich. Then hummingbird. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the smallest bird in the world. Hummingbirds are the smallest bird. They are the smallest bird. Which bird? Hummingbird. Then flamingo. This is flamingo. Flamingo, they have long legs with long neck. They are found in pink color. They are found in pink color. Now the next one is peacock. Which bird is this? This is peacock. Peacock is a very beautiful bird with a colorful feather. And what is our national bird? Our national bird is also peacock. So which bird is this? This is peacock. I hope you all understood about the birds. Yes, very good. So let's meet in the next class again with a new topic. Bye bye.